Good day, everyone. My name is Dr. Mrs. Oluwaseun Oyesoya Adruko, and today I'm going to be talking about how those in the academia can take advantage of this lockdown. Now, the COVID-19 pandemic has forced everyone of us into a lockdown, which has lasted some weeks, and we don't even know how long it will be before it's all over. But one thing is certain that we can all take advantage of this lockdown to do one or two things. Now, I'm very sure, I know that academics, this lockdown has availed the opportunities for academics to write most of their research papers that they've not been able to write for some time. Maybe you've got some data and no time to work on it. I know many of us, this is an opportunity for us to work on it, and we've been working on it. Some papers have been published, I've seen here and there. Some of my colleagues have published their papers, which is cool. Some of us still have our own still being reviewed, and that's a good thing actually. But we can do much more with this lockdown. Beyond writing our research papers, we can begin to prepare for life post-COVID-19. Well, it's obvious that the mode of learning after this pandemic is really going to change. Well, we hear from analysts here and there, they are still saying that this is not the last of the of pandemics we're going to see. So we don't even know how many years time, and we might be in a situation like this again. We do hope, I personally hope, that it doesn't get to happen. But well, one can only prepare. And one of the things is that online, that's e-learning, is going to be well. It's going to come into light compared to how it was before. Yes, many of us actually have our lectures online, but not like before. This time it's beginning to look like it is compulsory, more or less. So I'm going to take notes through one or two things you can decide to learn in the course of this lockdown that can help your lecture delivery after this lockdown is over. Well, number one is this: if you're going to have your work online, for example, it's good that you're conversant with the use of the PowerPoint software. Now, the PowerPoint software these days many people have some people still have, because I know there are those who have their work on PowerPoint even now. For example, in my school, most lectures are delivered on PowerPoint, it's projected, and the students get to learn. But if you are not conversant with that, you get all your notes and begin to translate them into PowerPoint. It's very easy to use the PowerPoint software. If you don't know how to use it, just if you have any child that is just computer literate, should be able to help you. But you can also go online, check on YouTube tutorials, and learn. And then you just put in your notes. You can use this lockdown to set your notes in PowerPoint slides if you don't already have. Another thing again you need to know how to use or learn how to use, which are just very simple tools, they won't take much of your time, is a screen record software. Now with that, if you have your PowerPoint, you put on your PowerPoint on your laptop and then present your lecture as you go through your PowerPoint. So what comes out is a video that's your voice. Your voice comes out as your PowerPoint is going to do. That's a form of that's another way of delivering your lecture. You teach what you want to teach using your PowerPoint slides, and it's recorded like that, your voice together with your PowerPoint slide, and it's all done on your screen. So that's also very easy. Another thing that's number 3 thing I think you should be able to learn also is how to use some editing softwares. Now, you don't have to rack your brain with Adobe, because Adobe has a lot of you can do a lot of things with Adobe, but of course it's a lot more complex, take a longer time to learn. But there are other user-friendly, easy to learn software, like Filmora, for example, is one of them. I think I'll make a video or an example of softwares, and if you want me to demonstrate how to use some of these screen recorders or some of these video editings, you can put it in the comments below, in the comment box below, and then I will attend to them actually. But beyond writing our research papers, academics, please, I think this is something that will help our lecture delivery after now. I mean, if you have learned some of these things and prepare your notes. I've started preparing my own notes actually, so please prepare your own notes like that. If you are able to do that, then life will be a lot more easy by the time the whole lockdown is over. So if you do have any questions, you can put in the comment box below. And please, if you have not subscribed, I encourage you to please subscribe. That means click on the subscribe button and also on that notification bell. With that, any video I put in, you can always get it, even if I didn't send the link directly to you. I'm going to be posting the next lectures. I'm going to be posting well, depending on the comments, that will determine the priority. But one of the things I have in mind is I will demonstrate how to use some of these softwares. You will see that they are just so easy. Thank you so much for listening to me. And well, while lockdown is still on and the school hasn't resumed, let's prepare for life after COVID-19. Thank you so much. Remain safe, and keep being hopeful, and keep learning, and keep writing your research papers. Bye.